Good morning, Sir Leo Arcayos. I am JP Bisalbo from G2E1. I want to discuss these effects of bulging and permeability on the stability of the ship. Effects of bulging on ship stability. Number 1. Loss of buoyancy. When a compartment is bulged, it fills with water, effectively reducing the ship's buoyancy volume. To maintain equilibrium, the vessel sinks deeper into the water until the lost buoyancy is compensated by the submerged volume elsewhere. Number 2. Increased draft. The ship's draft increases as it settles deeper into the water to offset the loss of buoyancy. This exchange can affect the vessel's performance and safety margins. Number 3. Shift in center of buoyancy, QUB. The flooding alters the underwater geometry of the ship, causing the QUB to shift. This shift can lead to change in trim, cloditional balance, and less transverse balance, depending on the location of the bulge compartment. Number 4. Altered water plane area. As the flooding compartment reaches the waterline, the effective water plane area reduces, impacting the vessel stability characteristics. A smaller waterline area can decrease the ship's stability to resist heeling moments. Number 5. Pre-surface effect, FSA. Flooded compartment. Introduce pre-surface where water can move freely within the space. This movement can shift the center of gravity, reduce the metacentric height, GM, diminishing the ship's initial stability.